Hey guys, I'm Anvit Roy and I create content around men's fashion and grooming. And today with SSBeauty, I'll be sharing my personal grooming hacks that have come in very handy around the festival of Holi. Like, I cannot be the only one who loves playing with colors, but hate how harsh it can be on my skin and my hair. And not to mention how much aftercare it involves. Like, the colors will stick to you for days. So stick around and let me show you my personal pre-Holi grooming hacks that work like magic. Starting with the first one, moisturize and sun protect. Now think of your skin as a canvas. Before you paint it with vibrant colors, you want it to be prepped and nitty. That's where moisturization and sun protect comes in handy. A day before Holi, opt for a single cleanser followed by a generous layer of moisturizer. Talking about cleanser, this charcoal face wash is my go-to cleanser by Clinique. This super moisture balm from Clarins Men has been my go-to moisturizer. With organic sesame oil that nourishes the skin and Clarins Men's complex calms the razor burns. This keeps my skin super hydrated for the longest time. Now talking about sun protection. You should be wearing a sunscreen whether you're inside or stepping out. And when it comes to my skin, I only trust Dot & Key sunscreen. It has SPF 50 which is enough to protect me against the harshest light. It is ultra light and has matte finish, so there is no gloss on your face and it suits my oily and sensitive skin. Now moving on to the next one. This is very important, high on hair care. The secret weapon for your hair, oil. Applying a light layer of oil creates a protective barrier against the colors. This makes them easier to wash off later and keeps your hair soft and manageable. I use this hair oil from Balm. This not only protects my hair from colors but nourishes my hair and roots for an easier wash later on. My mom only told me about this couple of years ago and I was like, what? You have been keeping this from me since so long? And trust me, I've been using it personally and this has been a game changer. Moving on to the third tip. Best of beard care. Wait, did you forget about your beard hair before stepping out? Beard care is very important, guys. To protect your beard, you need a beard oil. Your hair oil won't work on it, since the skin on your beard is way different than that on your scalp. My go-to is this almond and thyme beard oil by the Man Company, which I anyways use weekly, but since I'm prepping for a crazy Holi party, I'll use it a bit generously. Couple of years back, I was at a crazy Holi party, and right after that, I had a modeling week for which I had to shave. So after scrubbing my hands and my body to get rid of that nasty pink color, I went for my shave. And to my surprise, I had pink hues all over it. It was way more embarrassing than you guys can think. But thankfully, this little thing came in very handy. The Arcelia concealer saved the day. Fabulously hid everything that needed to stay hidden. Just apply a small amount on the area of concern and just dab it in to conceal the color. But still a very close call. Now it's time to protect your nails. But first order of business, grab a clipper and trim those nails short and clean. Then go grab your favorite body lotion and generously apply it on your cuticles and your nail. I have been using this from Minimalist. It keeps your skin healthy and hydrated, and also it suits all skin types. Do this one day prior to Holi and just before you are stepping out to play Holi. This will make sure your cuticles don't pack pigments from the Holi colors. The aftercare. Holi might be over, but your grooming journey is. After playing Holi, make sure you wash off the colors with cold water and not warm water. Because warm water will dilate your pores, which can then hold onto the pigments from your Holi colors. After all those harsh colors, it's time to pamper your skin. Just use a gentle cleanser to clean your body and hair. And after that, apply a generous amount of lotion, guys. You need to hydrate your skin. And for your hair, you can use a hair mask or a conditioner for that smooth look. There it is, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and mention in the comment section which tip you like the most or have tried in the past. Share this with your friends, but not before subscribing to the SSBeauty YouTube channel and clicking the notification bell icon for the more updates. There you have it, guys. With these basic grooming tips, you're ready to embrace the festival of Holi without compromising your hair or your skin. Remember, guys, little preparation goes long way. My friends are here and I'm off to play Holi. Happy Holi, guys.